Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix randomly shuts off in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, check volume and power key. After check volume and power key, turn off auto restart. Open setting, search auto restart. Now click on auto restart. After click on auto restart and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off auto restart from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Scroll down, click on system. Scroll down, click on reset options. Scroll down, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix randomly shuts off in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.